Sometimes we don't like to eat masala curries, but we want a simple dal with rice and roti. So today I'm coming with dal with सहजन की फली मुलक्काय pappu. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tasty Food for All. So today we are going to learn the recipe of yellow lentils with drumsticks. So let's get into that. Here I am taking 3/4 cup of yellow split lentils or tur dal or kandipappu. So first I have taken half a cup, then adding 1/4 cup. So totally 3/4 cup of lentils. First we'll wash the lentils. Wash them gently. Don't wash them vigorously because I saw people washing them vigorously 3-4 times. By doing that, we'll just lose the nutrients from the lentils. Just we want to get rid of that fine dust. That's all. I used 2 cups of water for cooking lentils. This is half measuring cup, so I used 4 half cups. Here I have taken 2 long drumsticks and peeled and washed. I will show you how to peel the skin on top. Cut it in half and try to pull out the skin on the both sides. And with the help of the knife, try to take out the green part of the skin. That's it. So simple. Now goes in all the drumstick pieces into the lentils and one finely chopped onion, few garlic cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of dhania powder, and 3 tomatoes, making a slit on tomatoes, followed by 4 sliced green chilies, and then we will cover it and give 4 whistles, 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. While dal is cooking, we can soak tamarind. So for that, take tamarind, a medium sized lemon. First wash it, then soak it in the water. All our whistles are done. Now we can open the lid and see. Yeah, our lentils are well cooked. Now we are gonna mash it with this tool. This is a wooden tool in India. Even every household will have this tool for mashing lentils. Our mashing is done. We will move on to the next step. We are going to strain this with the help of this sieve. Going to extract it as much as possible. By doing this way, you can extract all the goodness from the drumsticks into the lentils. Drumstick is well known as super nutritious food. This tree seeds, pods, fruits, flowers and leaves all have medicinal properties, and the usage of this vegetable slowly spreading across the country. And South Indians use this vegetable in non-veg as well. Actually, we add drumstick pieces into the dal and consume it. We don't mash it in this way. But sometimes what happens, we need to put little effort to pull out the goodness from these pieces. And also children will struggle to do it. So I started doing in this way, and the flavors really get into the dal, and I can give you 100% assurance you will not stop licking your fingers. I am adding water here to extract everything out of it, and do it like this 2-3 times until you are satisfied. Guys, you can do it with your hands in fast mode, which I cannot do it in front of the camera, making sure that the liquid should not become watery. Otherwise, you have to boil it until it reaches to thick consistency and discard this waste material. Now we are going ahead to the next step. It's time to pour the liquid back into the cooker and bring it to boil by adding tamarind water into this. Guys, these drumsticks are great for diabetes and good for your hair and skin, and keeps your heart healthy for stronger bones. It prevents acne and other skin issues, and it purifies your blood. Now you can add salt. Check whether the salt is sufficient or not. If not, add more. Now going for boiling. At this consistency, add coriander and a minute to go to switch off the flame. At this point of time, you can switch off the flame and then transfer it into a serving bowl. And heading to the final step, that is tempering. These are tempering items: finely chopped ginger, some garlic cloves, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon urad dal, white whole gram and half a teaspoon mustard, and 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms and 1 dry red chili, and lightly crush the garlic. On the other hand, my oil is already heating up. You can add all the ingredients in it: urad dal, cloves, cardamom, jeera or cumin seeds, mustard, red chili, ginger, and saute it. Now goes in garlic. Finally going in curry leaves. Now you can add it into your cooked lentils. That's it. It is done. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this wonderful recipe. If you like it, subscribe and share it with others. Thank you.